Okay, guys, this tree is very old, but it's still doing great. And first, I have to give God thanks for another year and celebrating. Okay, guys, it's tree decoration night, but I'm not sure what color I wanted to use. I hope you guys can help me choose the color, because you know what, I'm not going to worry. I'm just going to use the colors that I have. I'm not even going to stress about it, because a lot of lives has been gone, and we're here. So we have a lot to celebrate. We have lives, right? So just let's put on some decoration on the tree. That's it, right? And I hope the camera girl is going to work with me tonight, so you guys can see her in action. Guys, the only thing I hate about this tree, the white snow falls to the ground. And this is not the ground, this is my living room floor, all right? Full of white stuff. Well, guys, can you see my snowflake on the window? I hope you can see. And my menorah is all lit up. Because in this house we celebrate Christmas and we celebrate Hanukkah. All right? So I think we're almost ready for the ball to go on. But first I gotta go get my teeth, because I have to smile a lot. See, guys? I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Okay guys, I'm at the favorite part of decorating the tree. Putting on my angel. It's time to put on my angel. This is my favorite part. Can you see how pretty my angel is? That's my favorite part. Woo-hoo. What's your own thing? Do you like my tree? There it is, guys. Christmas trees up. Angel is playing like crazy. Ta-da! Trees up, all decorate, all gold, just gold and white, right? That's it. I hope you guys like. Oh, I need to sweep the bottom of the tree now and put on my, what color skirt am I gonna put on? I'm gonna put that skirt under the tree. So, I'm going to sweep, not vacuum, sweep. God is good to me, how can I let him down? How can I let him down? How can I let him down? He's so good to me. Saved my soul. He made me whole. He's been so good to me. How can I let him down? How can I let him down? Saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. Up here, as you know, I hope it doesn't come back. And my tree is finished. And guys, look under the tree. It's been a rough year, guys. Guys, it's been a rough year. That's it. Okay, guys, here's a tree for you guys. This little baby is for Fergie's kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoy our tree decoration day. One for Fergie and one for the gang. I love you guys, and I'll see you next year. No, catch you in the kitchen.